Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix placer error code in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing any kind of error code issue in your Play Store, so let's see how can you fix that. You just have to make sure that you're connected to internet using your Wi-Fi, so the data. You have to also make sure that your internet is as well or as stable. You can also go ahead to any other app to check if your internet is working well. After that, you can keep a long press on your Play Store app. Click on this info button here. Just scroll down, go to storage. Very first, you can try to clear cache only. Then go to Play Store to check if it fixed your issue or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, relaunch your Play Store to recheck. If it's still not fixed your issue, go to the storage section again, click on clear data, click on delete. It will delete all the data you have in your Play Store. Now go back, go to Play Store again. It will automatically log you in. The very first launch might take some moments. If you're still facing the same issue, just click on this profile icon here, click on settings here, click on about, click on update Play Store. So you might have any pending update here, so your Play Store will be updated. Once you have done, your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not fixed issue, just scroll in the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart again. So your phone will be restarted. After restart, your issue might have been fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.